What's up, everyone? This is the Keyframers.
And this is really random and coincidental.
It really is. We just so happen to both be in Austin at the very same time for completely different reasons.
Yeah.
So we managed to get together here. We're hanging out, just doing a quick stream for you all.
Yeah. How was your first conference?
Yeah, so I'm in Austin for my very first conference ever, Artifact Conference, and it's been amazing. Chris was speaking earlier when we had on the show a few weeks back, and Sarah Drasner's here, like all the who's who of web.
Yeah, Sarah Drasner, Chris Coyer, Jen Simmons, Estelle Weil, Dave Rupert's here.
Yeah. It's super fun being around all these web people. Outside of Chris, this is the first meeting of web people I've done, and actually this is the first time that David and I have met in person.
Unbelievably, we even have photo proof. We have a couple of photos just in case none of you believe us.
That's right.
This is us. See.
That's us together in person. This isn't a fancy green screen thing. We can actually interact.
Yep, and here is Joseph Rexine, who, on the stream as well. He's here too, so that's really cool to see so many familiar faces over here.
And what are you in Austin for, David?
So I am doing a React training workshop with Indeed. So that's
Indeed
I am. So that's what I've been doing, and it's about 10 miles away. So I took a nice, lovely, long Lyft ride over here to crash this conference, basically.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad that worked out. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So we're not going to be doing any animations today.
Right. It's a little tough to do on one computer here, but
we could talk animations, and specifically the future of what's coming up.
Yes. We've been working on quite a few different things. What do you want to talk about first?
We are going to eventually start having guests on the show.
Yes, just like Chris, we want to have some more people. We've been lining up some additional folks to join us, and so that's coming soon. We'll see some familiar names and some new faces, hopefully.
Yeah, and there is swag coming up.
Swag, that's right. Yes. Merch. We've been hard at work on some different merch options for you all to just help support the show and get y'all some cool stuff. I'm sure we'll also do some giveaways of things as well. So this is just rough prototype, some experimental printing we did of Keyframer stickers. Lots more to come there. We've got plenty of amazing designs that will go across all sorts of mediums.
Yeah.
So if there's any particular merch you'd love to see, hit us up, and we'll be happy to investigate that for you.
Yeah, some for cheap, some for probably patrons, right? Just as a thank you.
Right. So if you've been on the fence about becoming a patron, definitely look a little bit closer at that, because there will be some exclusive stuff for some of our first patrons.
Sounds like an infomercial.
If
you're on the fence, call now. 3 easy payments of $39.95. Come on.
That's all. That's all. And these keyframers can be yours.
Yes. Exactly. But hey, we also want you to send in your challenges to us. We want to get more, and we want to do more crazy things like the paper pirouette thing, and some of those more fancy animations that might not fall right into UI, just because I don't know. We haven't done a real good non-UI animation in a while, except for the paper pirouette. So I think that would be a lot of fun. I know people have asked how you do those little dog or animal animations, and I feel like we could tackle that, and maybe play around with libraries such as Green Sock or Pop Motion or all of those.
I'm into that.
Yeah.
We definitely want to start showcasing some different libraries or kind of tech stacks.
And also frameworks.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
I think that'd be fun.
Yeah, that's one of the top things we get asked from you guys is, how do I do this in React? And most all of the things that we show, it's just HTML and CSS. So like the same kind of idea is going to apply in React. You're just toggling that data state with React change rather than directly via the DOM.
Right, and then Vue does everything for you automatically. So, yeah. Speaking of guests, we have a few over here. You might recognize them.
We're doing a live stream. If you'd like to crash in here. One in. Hi, David. Steven.
Keyframers, what's happening?
Yes.
So this is Dave Rupert.
What up, chat? Can I get a pockers in the chat? Let's go.
Yes. So yeah, we're actually going to be talking shop later this week.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
As
Should be out next
our
week.
live stream, we do keyframers. Yeah, we do live streams every Monday.
Yeah. Is this for a podcast?
Yeah, or
Twitch stream?
Oh,
Twitch live?
Yeah, we typically live code animations, and
we bring imaginative user interfaces to life using only HTML, CSS, and a little bit of JavaScript.
there's the tagline.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
I have that on the blog.
Wow. That's impressive.
I
That's
know,
professional.
imaginative is a hard word to say on the Monday, so.
We have a full script, but it usually is just memorized. So
Okay.
Yeah.
Every episode is like scripted out, start to finish.
Sort of.
all of our banter. Yeah.
It's very epic. In fact,
So, speaker one, do
Yeah, I guess they do
like
like
no,
airports?
someone actually asked me, they were like, do you actually rehearse all these animations that we make? The answer is no. That's why you see us screw up so many times.
Yeah.
It's because it's all just
riffing.
pretty much riffing.
Yeah. Improv,
But not
Well,
improv.
no,
like
piano,
jazz,
Jazz, piano.
Right.
No, but it's more like jazz piano where you don't know how to play piano. We're like, I don't know how we're going to animate this, but eventually it comes together at the end.
Right. We just bang on the keyboard, and eventually a
Exactly.
What's
work of art.
top 5 keys that have been framed?
I would have to
the
say
list?
the Apple Watch one. We wanted to recreate that Apple Watch animation where it just grew in the screen, and then as you scrolled away, it sort of shrunk away. And it's a pretty cool effect, and it wasn't really too hard to do, but that was one of our most popular ones.
Biggest keys that have been framed, probably the D key for data attributes.
Yes.
The K key for keyframes.
Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All the others are pretty much equally used.
The whole home
Yeah.
run.
Right.
Just in general.
Right.
Trying to just stay.
Yeah.
And the whole-
Except for Q, we have can't use it.
Oh yeah,
Can't use it.
no, the start key too. I put all my position relative in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm
The
guilty.
lobotomized owl selectors. Yeah.
A
Yeah.
whole bunch of that.
Stuff is stuff.
Yes.
Yeah. Anyway.
So Dave actually talked at a what's it called? Artifact.
Artifact. Yes.
This one.
Artifact.
That's upside down.
Yes, and it was a beautiful speech,
Thank
but
you.
not nearly as beautiful as this shirt.
This shirt, I think my daughter picked it out for me. It's wonderful.
It's just lovely tigers roaming Dave.
roaming my body.
Yeah.
As I'm a Sahara.
You're so hairy. What?
Yes. That too. That's
Yeah.
also true.
But yeah, we're gonna be talking with Dave and Chris on Shop Talk.
And that should be out next
This
week-ish. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I don't know what y'all's editing schedule is.
Me neither. But I think this one is next week. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, cool. Great.
Nerd? Me?
You were putting up a song.
You're at party the 3 people are on computer.
Yeah.
All right.
Naturally.
I got
So
called out.
we're getting nerd called out by Estelle Whale, which is fair.
It's legitimate though.
Yeah,
It's not your
We
fault.
earned that.
No one was in here. You probably started
that's
this.
true.
So,
Yeah.
but and they don't understand the hashtag Twitch life. You know, they
Right.
don't
You know.
understand. And so,
It's a thing.
you get bits. You got bits. You just got a bits.
Did we get cheered? I don't think we did. Nobody cheers. Yeah. It's a bit late for our crowd. They're normally in bed by this time. So.
All right. Well, I'm gonna get another pink beverage.
All right.
But I'm looking forward to our show.
Yes.
We'll talk
Yeah.
about all the best keys that have been framed
Yes.
in audio format, which is probably the best way to discuss
superior-
code pens.
The superior. Yeah.
Superior format for coding. Yeah. No,
I agree.
So anyway, thanks for having me on.
Yeah.
I'll
All right.
put this on my.
Thanks for being our second guest.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Second impromptu guest.
All right. Thanks, Chad. Bye.
Yeah. So expect lots more fun things.
Expect greatness.
Yes. We settle for nothing less. Nothing less. Yeah. Anyway. Well, yeah. This is exciting. We just wanted to celebrate with you all a little bit, and celebrate this monumentous occasion.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers. What is this? This is just a light. This is not a. Well, until next week. Adios, amigos.
Adios.